Authentication in mobile apps isn't hard. Let's be real. You've probably done it 1,000 times, but building it in a way that's modular, scalable, and reusable across multiple production applications, now that's a different story. So I built a system that you can drop into any iOS application. You can switch between Supabase and Firebase with a single line of code. You can customize your account creation and onboarding flows. It supports social authentication with Google and Apple sign-in, and it comes ready to ship to the App Store right out of the box without rebuilding it every single time. This is Auth Pro Plus, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how it works. Auth Pro Plus is a fully modular, protocol-oriented authentication system designed for real production apps to ship to the App Store. Let's talk about the features. It supports email and password signup, Google authentication, Apple authentication, username creation if your app needs unique usernames per user, optional profile photo uploads, fully customizable onboarding that you can easily add and remove steps to, centralized error handling APIs for all of the authentication methods. It supports Supabase and Firebase, and you can switch between the two things with a single line of code. It has full unit test coverage and full documentation so that you don't get lost anywhere along the way, and also comes with a custom design library of components that are reused across the system. The goal is simple. You integrate it once, you reuse it forever. Now let's walk through it and do a demo of the application. Out of the box, it supports email and password authentication, as well as Google sign-in and Apple sign-in, as we can see here. Everything runs through a unified authentication layer. If you're using Supabase, great. If you're using Firebase, great. If you ever switch, you don't rewrite your entire authentication flow. The abstraction is already handled through protocol-oriented programming. And one of the biggest problems in real-world auth systems is fragmented error handling. Different providers return different error formats. Auth Pro Plus solves that with a centralized error handling API. So we can see a snapshot from the code here. We have full error support for each one of our authentication platforms: Firebase, Google, Apple, and Supabase. So this gives you clean, human-readable error messages, consistent UI behavior, extendable error mapping, and no scattered logic. It's predictable and production safe. And during account creation, we have built-in real-time email validation so that the user can see if that email is already in use and make sure that it's a valid email. We can also have unique usernames as well, so that if your app needs username support, people don't create duplicate usernames, which could cause problems for you. Then we have a dedicated password screen here. You notify the user of how many characters their password needs to be, and then you can easily sign up right there. And we have this optional profile photo upload step in the account creation process as well. The user can either upload a profile photo, or they could skip that step for now and just go to the complete sign up page. And once you complete sign up, it takes you to what the home screen of your application would be, which you guys would just drop in there. And I'm gonna make a full setup instruction video as well, so you know how to set this up step by step and drop it into your application and customize it to fit your needs. Next up, I'd like to show you guys the sign in with Apple flow. So I can click here, and this supports native sign-in with Apple functionality. I can just enter my password, and this is creating my account for the first time. And you guys will notice that it takes me to this get started, pick a username screen. So social auth flows don't provide users with usernames. You just get their full name and email. So this is a huge feature to have if your app requires usernames and you want to support social auth sign-in with Apple and Google. So we also have full username validation here. So if I enter the username that I signed up with in the first account, we'll see that that username's invalid. And I have to wipe that all out to reset the state. And then I could just say test, hit next, and it will then create my user with my username, upload that to my database, and then ultimately route me to my home screen of the application. If your app doesn't require username support, don't worry. In the setup instructions, I'll show you exactly how to remove this step from the onboarding flow and update the code accordingly. Auth Pro Plus also comes with a fully customizable set of reusable design components. As we can see here, we have our customizable text field with detailed documentation so that you know exactly how this works. We also have avatars, custom buttons, loading indicators, and other things that you guys can easily customize to fit the theme of your application, along with your color scheme. Under the hood, everything is protocol driven. So authentication providers conform to shared contracts and protocols, which gives us clean separation of concerns, backend flexibility, easier testing, dependency injection support, and long-term scalability. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to swap between Firebase and Supabase in Auth Pro Plus. So I have the app file opened up here, and we can see on line 14, we're injecting our Firebase auth service. So literally all I have to do is go here and say that I want to add my Supabase auth service instead of Firebase, rerun the application, and everything works out of the box. And I'll even take you through creating a user through the create account flow using Supabase now, and show you the Supabase backend with that created user, so you guys know I'm not blowing smoke. So I'm gonna go to create account, enter my name. I'm gonna enter an email. We'll see that that gets validated, and a username as well. And I'll hit next, create my password, hit sign up. And guys, you notice it successfully authenticates and routes me to this pick a profile picture screen. We'll say skip for now and complete our sign up, and there we go. And if you guys want to see the proof of this in Supabase, we can bring this up here. I'll refresh the page, and we can see that we just signed up with test 6789. And in our database, it also successfully uploaded that to our users table. So we not only have authentication support here, but we also have user creation support on whatever backend your application is using. So we see test 6789 right there. The core logic of the app is also fully unit tested, so you get validation with functionality, error mapping, state transitions, and provider abstraction. You're not integrating demo code here, you are integrating infrastructure. And guys, this is App Store ready out of the box. Sign in with Apple and Google is supported. You can easily drop in your terms and conditions and privacy policy links required for App Store submission. Compliance pieces are already accounted for. So future versions of this will contain things like phone authentication, multi-factor authentication support as planned. The system is built to evolve. And if you guys purchase this, you will get lifetime access to the repository and all of the future updates. So to close this out, guys, authentication is not just about logging in and signing up. You need a production-ready system that handles user state, onboarding, error handling, compliance, and architecture. And rebuilding that system every time you start up a new app just slows you down. So Auth Pro Plus is a fully modular production-ready system that I now reuse in all of my applications because I got tired of rebuilding this every time I started up a new app. So if you're building real apps and want this system that you can drop into any project, the link is in the description. Early access is now open. This will be launching towards the end of February 2026. And for the early access people, you'll get discounts on this product and lifetime access to the repository and future updates. Integrate it once, reuse it forever. Thanks for watching this, guys. Auth Pro Plus is coming soon. Stefan here, saying peace out.